All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about something I think is pretty important. You know, last Sunday was daylight saving time, and that means it's going to start to get colder. And so today, I'm going to show you what I carry in my vehicle in the wintertime. Maybe that might give you some type of an idea, you know, of what you might want to carry in yours for emergencies and things like that when you're out on the road. They're not looking for me, I don't think. But anyway, I'm going to go get the keys to the truck, and we're going to put the truck on the driveway, and we're going to take a look. All right, so any of this stuff that's on the tailgate of the truck, it's just my opinion. There's a lot of different stuff that you can carry for emergency use in wintertime, but this is just what I come up with. It's just a little bit of stuff to kind of give you peace of mind, maybe help you out in a bad situation, and get you home a little quicker and a little safer. So let's start off with these fantastic collapsible road cones. This was my wife's idea. The red beacon does flash if you put batteries in the bottom of it. You take this thing apart and the batteries go in this part of it right here. But that was her contribution to emergency equipment in the vehicles. Am I going to add all of them? Probably not. I'm probably just going to add 2 of them. But at least 2 of them are going to be added. So, because that's what she wanted. So that's happy wife, happy life. That's what she gets. Anyway, this Stanley Spotlight I've had for about 7 or 8 years. And it's fantastic. This is a charger cord for like the USB port inside the car. Fuel hose. I always bring fuel hose. You never know, you might need it. I use an impact for a lug wrench, and I make sure that it's charged a couple of times a week just to make sure that the battery's good. I don't like lug wrenches. I don't like 4-ways or any of that crap. I just don't like using it. This is a lot better and a lot faster when it comes to changing tires on the side of the road. So that's what we got there. This is that little air compressor that I did a review on not too long ago. Good idea to have that in there. We have a blanket. I've got at least 1 blanket in the truck. And, you never know, you might need that. Sledgehammer. If you have a truck like I do that came from the East Coast, sometimes those rims are a little stubborn coming apart from the brake rotors. So, a little persuasion never hurts. Got a roll of tools. Some jumper cables, a tire plug kit. Everybody should know how to do a tire plug. Everybody should know how to do that. It's pretty easy. There's actually a video on my channel showing how to do it. It's from a couple years ago, but it's there. Got a pressure gauge, tire pressure gauge. This one I got from one of the truck stops close to me here. Pretty nice. Flashlight, some work gloves, a hat, and fire extinguisher. This is the rods that you put together to lower the spare tire. Yeah, I actually have another kit that came out of a Toyota pickup from the 80s that actually works just like this, and it works with my Chevy. And it's actually a nicer kit. This is just, you know, just bare bones. The other things got all kinds of stuff in there, like tire chocks and all kinds of stuff. But okay, then we got water. Always take water with you everywhere. You could add snacks in there, like some granola bars or, you know, whatever, you know, just some kind of snack food. I don't have any of that in there right now, but I mean, it is what it is. Payday's only a week away, so. And then you have your container to hold all this stuff. I was going to try to force all this stuff into a metal Craftsman toolbox I have, because it's actually smaller. But that right there is the right size for all this stuff. I also have a first aid kit that's inside the truck, and I'll show you where that lives here in just a second. All right, so another thing that I added to the kit for the inside the truck is jackets. This one is just a sweatshirt jacket. It's got the reflective stuff on there. I used to work for the city of Lancaster where I live, and yeah, got it for free. But anyway, like I said, it does have the reflective on the jacket, and it works good for that. I do have another option for colder weather, so stand by and I'll show you that. All right, so this is a different option. This is the same type of jacket as the sweatshirt jacket, but I mean with the reflective and whatnot, and the high visibility yellow color. But this is a parka. Now, would I use this thing in just the regular wintertime in the desert? Hell no. But I would use this if I had to, if I went up in the mountains and had a flat tire, which has happened before, and I froze my ass off changing that tire. That's why this is in there now. But I mean, it's cool. It's got the big pockets on the sides and stuff. You can put your tools in there. It is quite hot. It's a warm jacket, let me tell you. It's probably about 65 degrees today, and I'm cooking. So let's get this over with as soon as possible, shall we? Okay. Inside the truck, this is where this stuff lives. This is that first aid kit. It's a sling bag that I got in a giveaway. It was full of survival gear and stuff from Ohio Outdoor Explorers from, wow, I think like 4 years ago. But it's pretty cool. I have taken it out on a couple hikes and things like that, and it's pretty cool, and it's useful, and that's why I made it a first aid kit. But anyway, I got the passenger side seat folded up, and crate fits in there, fire extinguisher, the thing for the rod for the spare tire, and the water. Another thing I forgot too is inside the pouch in the back seat, there's a big ass bag of glow sticks. My wife didn't want me to buy road flares for some reason, but we're just going to replace these with road flares and not tell her. Big emergency blanket. It's actually an emergency blanket that was in a first aid kit from a B-52 that my dad used to be the crew chief on back in the, I guess, early 90s. But there's that, and then a reflective vest for like summertime if you're going to change a tire on the side of the road or side of the freeway. there's that. But yeah, not really too bad. I mean, it does kind of take up the passenger side of the truck, but it is what it is. Here's a last minute add-on I just put in here. Put my tow straps in here. This one is a military tow strap that used to hold down cargo in airplanes during flight. And then those two straps right there have been with me for a long time and have never let me down yet. So anyway, well, that's it. Just wanted to say thanks for watching, and if you guys aren't subscribed to this channel and you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. What the hell, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to not miss any content like this, because if you don't subscribe right now, do it, you'll miss a lot of our content.